Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Everstart Jump Starter 750. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Before connecting, take a moment to check your Jump Starter's battery level. It should be fully charged for optimal performance. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe jump-starting process for your vehicle. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach the red positive clamp to your dead battery's positive terminal. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of your engine block, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground connection. Remember, never connect the black clamp directly to the negative terminal of the dead battery, as this can cause sparks. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn on your Everstart Jump Starter 750. Then, attempt to start your car, but only for a maximum of 5 seconds. If it doesn't start immediately, wait at least 1 minute before trying again. This allows the jump starter to recover and prevents overheating. Avoid prolonged cranking to protect both your vehicle's starter and the jump starter. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, carefully disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, disconnect the red positive clamp from the battery. Allow your vehicle to run for at least 15 minutes to help recharge its own battery. Finally, remember to fully recharge your Everstart Jump Starter 750 after every use, ensuring it's ready for next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.